to its effective command and prudent decision-making, Police Lieutenant Colonel Lukban was able to prevent escalation, uphold public order, and ensure the protection of lives and property, the welfare of Surigaonons and of institution whom he represents. Whereas his dedication, integrity, and professionalism in law enforcement, being a lawyer himself, served as an inspiration to his fellow officers and the community at large. Whereas his attitude, fortitude, self-control, unyielding confidence, projection of character, firm commitment to duty, and exemplary crisis management, and significantly contributed to the swift and peaceful resolution of the situation. Wherefore, on motion of Board Member Victor F. Bernal, duly seconded by Board Member Elvera Igay, Board Member Kaiser Biricabo Jr., and Board Member Alan A. Turtur, be it resolved as it hereby resolved to commend Police Lieutenant Colonel Mariano C. Lukban, Surigao City Chief of Police, for his sterling leadership, sharp discernment, and sound tactical skill in attending and handling the crisis instigated by the members of the Federal Tribal Group of the Philippines. Passed and approved, signed, Eddie D. Kukianki Jr., Presiding Officer. The Police Lieutenant Colonel Mariano C. Lukban is ably represented by Police Captain Robert Paredes here.